Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Check your mic and speakers so voice prompts are heard clearly. Open Google Maps and sign into your Google account. This preserves preferences and voice settings. Once done, grant location and background location access so navigation can run while the phone locks. Now enter your destination in the search bar and pick a route. Select the car, transit, or walking icon. Tap Start to initiate voice navigation and listen for the first spoken directions. Now refine how directions come through. Open Settings Right Arrow Navigation and choose your preferred voice language and voice type. This affects clarity and accent. Adjust navigation volume independently from media volume so prompts aren't drowned out by music. If you're connected to a car via Bluetooth, enable Play Voice over Bluetooth so prompts route to the vehicle audio. Also toggle Avoid Tolls or Highways here. Make sure route recalculation is automatic so you won't miss reroutes during traffic. As you drive, rely on turn-by-turn voice prompts and glance at the map only when safe. Spoken cues free your eyes for the road. When you reach your destination, tap End to stop navigation and save the route if desired. If voice stops, first check in-app navigation settings and your phone's microphone and audio permissions. If that doesn't help, disconnect Bluetooth, force stop the app, or reboot the device. Often clearing audio routing fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.